What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday was my birthday and I had a nice little time. I was gifted some things and I want to share them with you, and I also want to do a little review, so let's just get started. The first thing that I was gifted, it was this Morph matte lipstick. I've never tried it. If you guys have tried it, comment down below your thoughts on this. I am definitely going to be trying this out today in this video, so let's just see how that works. The consistency looks really nice and creamy, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like. The second thing I got was this Revolution eye glitter. This is an eyeshadow. This really caught my eye because I love glitter stuff. You guys know I love glitter and sparkles, and just look at it. And then it has another side to it, which I'll be using as well. Probably not today, but in a different video. And last but not least, the best for freaking last, I got this Morphe palette, you guys. Oh my freaking gosh. I was looking at a few Morphe palettes, and there's one that's coming like soon. This one also was just very beautiful that I was gifted. Just look at it, you guys. Like, the colors that really stand out to me is the green, and then or this pink, and then obviously the sparkles. I'm gonna be using those colors just because those are the main ones that stand out and I want to look really good. So let's just get started. Okay, you guys, first I'm gonna start with this pink right here. See what it's called. It is called Red Alert. So I'm gonna start with Red Alert. It's very pigmented, so just to let you know. And I'm gonna start right here in the inner corner. Look at that, just applies so easily on your eyelid. You don't even need much, you guys. So like so. We're gonna take the same product and do the other I just think I'm going to do that. Okay, now we're gonna take Unstoppable right here, this other pink, do the above, right above the first shade. Get in there. I put, what was it called? Unstoppable, I think. Right up in here. Okay, you guys. Now, you guys, I'm going to cut my crease using my e.l.f. 16-hour cam and camo concealer, and I'm just going to cut it really short. I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. Y'all, the problem is with me doing cut creases is that I can't get like the other one to look the exact same. Okay, if I spend too much time on this, I'm probably gonna mess it up, so. Okay, you guys, next what I'm gonna do is put Red Alert back in my crease, because when I was doing my cut crease, you know, it kind of goes away, the color. So what I'm gonna do is take a small brush like this, get your product or your shade, and then gently go right in the crease. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. Try not to go into the line. This, you gotta do it really carefully. And you want to do it a little bit like that. And I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with, there's too many colors to choose, you guys. Like, honestly, I'm having a hard time. It's It's either gonna be this one or this one. I'm not sure. I don't know which one. I think I'm gonna go with this lighter one just because I don't want to put too much color in the middle. I'm just gonna get some product and fill in. Okay, it looks okay, that's a nice color. I'm just gonna fill in the white part or the cut crease. I'm gonna do the edge off camera. I probably don't even need to do the edge because like, yeah, I probably don't need to do the edge, but we'll see. Okay, on to the next. I'm going to be doing Make Believe, which is this gold sparkly, the one that stands out the most. And I'm gonna be placing it in right like in my crease. I love sparkles, you guys. You guys see that? You can kind of see it. Okay, you guys, for the hard part, I'm going to be doing, you guys are just going to have to see. I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, but I'm cutting it out. Okay, now that I did my, what do you call it, eyeliner, I'm gonna take this beautiful green and place the color right on it. I'm gonna have to do a lot of dabbing. Okay, you guys, so I put some mascara on, and I'm finished with my green liner. I am gonna take my Infallible Full Wear, what do you call it, corrector, and you guys usually see me, if you guys watch my videos, you see me put this corrector right here. Well, I'm just sharpening my eyeliner so it can look like very sharp and clean. You could do this like this, or you could take a brush and get some of the product off and then line it, but it really sharpens up the liner. I'm actually running out of this stuff, so it's getting difficult. And then you get a clean little what do you call it, I don't know what to call it, but you get, yeah, sponge. You get a clean sponge and you just dab. Do not go over your eyeliner. I don't think you want to do that because it's gonna defeat the whole purpose. Gonna mess it up, and just clean it up. Look how sharp that looks, you guys. We're gonna do the other side. I'm not really feeling the other side because it just looks really long, but it is what it is. I did an Instagram recreation. I told you guys, let me just put these eyelashes on. I did an Instagram recreation. I showed you guys, you know, how I recreated this look from Instagram. And I didn't even show you guys what picture B looked like. So I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So don't forget to turn your bell notifications on so you don't miss that. Yeah, you look how eyelashes make a big difference. Like, I like these eyelashes, but the eyelashes I got the eyelashes, I ordered the eyelashes from Amazon. I don't know, they just have like a variety of eyelashes. I like to try different ones, but I got the eyelashes from Amazon, and like these bad boys, I ordered like 3 packs of different ones, and they're all like luxurious and just beautiful. So okay, my eyelashes are dry, you guys. Now I'm going to take my corrector again, and I'm going to correct the dark spots on my face, just so when I put my foundation on, it's not going to show any dark spots, and it's not going to, like, you know, pop up or fade, or you know what I'm saying. As far as foundation, I used this in my last video, but it kind of made me look lighter than what I am. So I don't know. I'm kind of getting tired of this matte poreless. It works really good, but I want to try something different. Or should I do the Stay Matte? I think I might do the Stay Matte just to change it up a bit, you guys. Let me just put a little bit right there. I don't think you need a lot either. It's cream. This is cream. This is not liquid, you guys. So just to let you guys know, and this is full coverage mattifying foundation. What am I gonna do? Okay, I got my beauty blender, so we're just gonna see what this does and just pat. Okay, I might be using this going forward. I always use affordable drugstore foundation. It works just as best as, you know, an expensive foundation. Get under. This is the hard part, you guys. Right here, I try to make my eyeshadow look even, but it ends up like looking crazy. You guys might notice that in like my other videos. You guys, I look light as hell, but oh, I got a sparkle right there. But that's okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC, what do you call it? Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, and this is NW45. I use this to basically contour my face without like using concealer or whatever. See, you guys just seen what it just did. This, you know, it carves out your face, it sculpts it out, you guys. You don't need, and everybody has their own way of doing makeup, but I really don't like doing all the steps with just putting highlight and contour on your face, you know, when I could just do this. I don't like to do all the extra, you know, get like do like that, and then your jaws, you know. I have my beauty blender. Wait, I'm not using that one actually. I'm gonna use this one because it's slanted. I am going to this Airspun loose face powder to set my face. I go between that and I go between the other powder. I like this one though because it like, I don't know, it just, it's more like, it works better for me. This is, wait, never mind. I'm just putting it right here just because I'm used to doing that, so don't mind me. Chin, can get right here. I don't know why I put it right here either. People probably know. Been doing it for years though. I'm gonna brush this off camera and I'm gonna show you guys the next step. Okay, now that my face is like so matte, I want to go in with this Revolution makeup highlighter, and this is what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna, I need to wipe that off. Get some product on there, and I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones. Look at that, beautiful highlight. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, next steps, you guys. Here I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm gonna put it below my eye for my bottom lid. So here we go. Let me get a little more. Okay. that's the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. I am gonna call this look sherbet just because it reminds me of sherbet ice cream so much. I enjoyed using that palette. I'm gonna be using it much more, probably in the next few videos, however many videos. I freaking love the palette. You guys let me know how I did. And as far as the lipstick, you guys, it was really matte and I really liked it. I'm gonna get probably some more colors, but I had to put my minty little lip balm on it just to give it a little shine. You guys know I like gloss, so I had to do that. So yeah, let me know how I did, you guys. On my 100th video, I'm gonna try to get a camera for you guys for better quality. I'm gonna try to just up everything and probably get a mic so you guys can hear me better. I know that I can talk low in some of my videos. I'm really not talking low, it's just the video. So maybe like upping my quality in my videos is gonna help. So I'm gonna be doing that probably on my 100th video or after a little bit. But yeah, you guys, I will be back with the next video, and I hope you guys, you know, stay tuned because I have more bomb videos coming, you guys. So stay tuned.